So this quick video is going to be a chance for you to see where we're going and to make sure you have everything correct in your game. So in my game, my plane, which I'm going to name ground, is 2 on the X and 2 on the Y. Everything else is the same as it came from. We don't need to make it wider on the Y because that's up and down. My player is 0.5 above the ground, and it's named player, it's not cube. I have put a rigid body on it. You would go down here and add component rigid body with gravity, and I also went to the package manager and added player input. So make sure you're in the registry and you look up player input, and then you may need to add that component in here also. So player input right there. Okay. My walls, what I did is I created an empty game object. Right click, create empty. I named it walls, and then from here I just went and created 3D objects, and I duplicated them. So my wall is, in this one, it is 0.5 by 2 by 20.5. They're all going to be the same. This one is at -10. This one is at +10. This one is at, no, let's go here. This one's going to be at 10 on the Z and a 90-degree slant, same size. And this one's going to be -10 and a 90-degree slant. So one's +10 and one's -10. You can just duplicate these once you've made one, and then just change these settings, and they should fit perfectly inside there. As far as the script goes, and then we close this up, so you have this thing closed up. The directional light, we have at 255, 255, 255. And then our script. All I want is you are writing this so far. So you're going to have to add this line when you make your script. Call it player controller. And then we're just going to do these 3 lines. We're creating variables, and we're going to have a speed. When we type speed, we want to be able to control it in the game. We need to get the physics. We need to get that rigid body when we start playing the game. So we're going to get that, and then we're going to control our movement. These are private because we don't want someone changing them in the game. We don't need to change these. These are going to be set. So this is all you're writing right now. Is just this. And then to look at it, let's see, do I have this? No. Oh, here it is, maybe. Yeah, so these are variables, and these are what they do. Anyway, get this done up to this point. Make sure you're up current, because we're going to start writing this script and going over all these variables.